Hi, in this video I will show you how CADDi Drawer can help you find and reuse past similar drawings instantly. If you're an engineer and you're working on a new project, where do you typically start from? In many cases, what you want to do first is to search for past similar drawings and then use them as a good reference for your new design. So let's assume that you're working on a new bearing part. You can search for bearing parts first and then get a list of all the bearing parts from your existing drawing library. Then you will find one part that is the closest to the one you're working on. In this case, it's this. You click on it, and then now you can click on the similarity search button to get a list of all the similar parts. Here, our proprietary AI will automatically recognize the shape of the part as if it's 3D modeled, so that it will not only search for drawings that are obviously similar, but the ones in a different format, layouts, and languages. In this process, CADDi Drawer will also estimate the maximum dimension of the drawing. Now, if you feel you still have too many options, you could narrow down the results by leveraging the filtering options. In this case, let's try to control the size of the part as well as the material. So I will select plus minus 10% for maximum dimension match ratio, and then select AISI 1018 for the material name. Now I get a much more narrowed down, very similar drawings that you can use as a reference. So as you can see, by finding similar drawings, you will not only be able to learn from how engineers created these drawings, but you will also want to reuse and leverage the actual design data, such as 3D CAD data and CAM program. Actually, CADDi Drawer gives you an ability to link any kind of peripheral supply chain data such as product defect report, images, 3D CAD data, and CAM data. So it's much easier for you to have an access to those files that you want to leverage together when you find similar data. So ultimately, it will save significant amount of time you're currently spending on repetitive tasks and then generates time for you to focus on core engineering work.